crediamo fermamente nell'Erasmus Day proprio perché intendiamo dare alla nostra scuola quella identità europea che ormai tutte le scuole devono avere e per uno scambio di conoscenze e di metodologie che può essere utile proprio ai fini del contesto educativo.
Hello, I'm Robin. I'm from Belgium. I'm 25, and today I'm here at my school. I'm teaching French here in la school in Aci Catena. And with Erasmus, we get the chance to go abroad to study and also to work. And I'm here in Sicily, and I'm here for 9 months. And yes, I'm getting used to this country and this region in Italy, and well, all its opportunity comes from the Erasmus program and the European Union, and well, that's it.
Hello, my name is Monika, and as you know, I am deputy of primary school in Zalesie Górne. This is our school. As you can see, it is surrounded by forest, and I would like to wish you very, very good Erasmus days this year, very nice activities, and also I hope we will see very, very soon that our project about myths and legends will be granted, and you and we will have possibility to cooperate. Have a good time.